Assalamu alaikum. Hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today's cultural and prize distribution ceremony 2026, organized by Polash High School and College, is attended by our honorable chief guest, Dr. Muhammad Abdul Qadir Ratan Sir, Director of Secondary and Higher Education, Sylhet Region Sylhet, and President Governing Body, Polash High School and College. Present a special guest, Mr. Jahangir Alam Sir, District Education Officer, Surabganj. Present a special guest, Mr. Shopan Kumar Pal, Acting Chairman, Polash Union Parishad, Polash. Present is the Honorable Principal of Polash High School and College, Mr. Iqbal Hussain Sir. Present are the assistant teachers, Honorable Judge, guardians, and my dear friends, brothers and sisters. Greetings to all. Before I begin, let me introduce myself briefly. I am Hamim Ahmed, a student of class 8 of Polash High School and College. I am honored to be standing in front of you and telling you on the occasion of our annual sports festival. On behalf of the students, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our respected teachers and school authority for arranging this wonderful event. Nelson Mandela said, "Sport has the power to change the world." Today is not just a day of games and competition. It is a celebration of youth, energy, discipline, and unity. It is a celebration of unity which sports plays an important role in a student's life. Along with academic education, physical activities help us grow into healthy, confident, and responsible individuals. Through sports, we learn valuable lessons that books alone cannot teach us. Sports teach us teamwork, leadership, patience, courage, and respect for rules. They help us both accept success and failure with positive attitude. Winning makes us happy, but losing teaches us how to try again with stronger determination. Sports are also necessary along with studies. Along with studies, there is a proverb: a sound mind lies in a sound body. If the body is unsound, the mind must be unsound. A sound body depends on regular exercise. There are many kinds of physical exercise like walking, swimming, running, etc. Different kinds of games such as football, cricket, volleyball, handball are good form of healthy exercise. So, health is wealth. It is the root of all happiness. Physical exercise enables us to achieve this wealth. Our sports teacher, Halda Begum, has worked the hardest for this annual sports competition. She has conducted these games with great skill. I am grateful to her and thank her immensely. Finally, I would like to make a heartfelt appeal to our